Taro and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It has been quite, hasn't been, how should I say? It's been really busy lately, so couldn't have time to make some more content as we are going towards the end of the year, and everything's just been cramming up and busy. So um, that's why we've been kind of slow on making content. A special talofa to our Ainga members. Remember, guys, that we do have memberships on our channel now. So if you want to really help the channel, you can be a part of that Ainga member for only $4.99 US a month, and that'll greatly help me in making more great content for you guys. So today it's Saturday. As you guys can see, it is quite gloomy, which is the usual case here in Samoa when it goes towards the end of the year. So I'm just gonna quickly make the pigs food, and then I'll show you guys some of the work we've been doing this week, especially with extending our plots. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we will catch you guys soon. Okay, so almost done. Accidentally cut my hand. Not cut my hand, but injured it while trying to make the pig's food, so it's quite a deep cut. But anyway, so just gonna finish it off and then head to feed the pigs. Alright guys, so pigs are now sorted until the evening, and we'll come back and feed them again. But I'll show you guys some of the developments we've been busy with this week. So as you guys can see, we've planted the majority of this plot with new taro, and that was thanks to some of our boys, that the usual boys we use to do our work and stuff. So we only hire them on special occasions where we do large planting or maybe large clearing jobs and stuff. So as a result, we were using them this whole week. So those are some of the boys from Ba'a's village, and Ba'a was looking after them. So as you guys can see there, the entire plot. So we've got just a little bit at the back to replant and on the side here, but the majority of this area has now been planted. This ufi is going really strong. Very nice ufi. Hopefully harvest probably next year. So most of our varieties that we've planted here is the cycle and the red variety, which is the Samoa lure. But yeah, as you guys can see, most of it is planted, looking very well. Goes all the way to the back, right up there, and then across this way. So it's looking fairly good, and this is only just to help us manage the international markets, the pango market that we have at the moment. So it's a very nice development. Roughly close to 2,000 taro planted in this small plot, and we can probably smash another 2,000 in the back up there, and then another 2,000 on the side there. So development's been going really well, and we get some more taro planted on our plots at the cattle farm. But yeah, guys, ooh. So we're just gonna head back to the kitchen. I need to prepare the pig's feed for the evening. So it is a full-on job where not only we prepare the morning food, but I try and prepare the evening as well. And the pigs look really hungry, so which is why I want to start now, so I can do a lot, make the evening meal a lot bigger and better. What lucky pigs, man. Pigs are so lucky. Anyway, all right, so if you guys remember our Sunday humu, I don't think I mentioned it, but Filippo cut one of the banana trees, and we're going to use that banana stem to make the pig's feed. I just remembered just now that we had that banana stem here, so I'm just going to get the inside and we'll chop it down. Here we go. The boy. Yeah. I was about to chop up this tree next to the banana stem. Only noticed there was one of my ava plants that we planted. Look at that. It's very beautiful. This is about 1 year old. Just gonna be a little bit careful. Alright, so I tore it down basically almost to the part where we need, which is somewhere inside there, where we can actually use for the pig feed. Alright, so we finally got our banana stem. You guys can see there. Tore it down to the most inner part where I think it is perfect for the pig feed. So now we're just gonna go boil it. I'll probably grab some of those taro stems as well. Sorry guys, I had to interrupt. I was actually quite surprised while I was doing this how strong this is. That as I was cutting through it with the knife, it seemed like it had a lot of resistance towards the blade. And I thought I'd cut it in half and have a deeper look, and look at this. Look at that structure inside. I know this might sound a bit nerdy. We're about to get nerdy now, but that it always amazes me how God's creation and in nature in general, that we have very, very simple yet sophisticated structures that actually work well in nature. So if you look at this is kind of the same way cardboards are designed and boxes. So you've got that outer layer, then you've got an inner layer, and then you've got some corrugation going in between the two layers, and that gives it that strength. So this is really, really interesting stuff. For example, even like honeycombs and stuff, the way bees make, I think it was their hexagons, but even that simple structure that bees make when they actually form the honeycombs and stuff, their nest, that's actually proven to be a really efficient method by scientists, only because it uses almost all the space, and the hexagon shapes that they use is actually quite strong. So I was just quite amazed at how hard this is to cut through and only to look inside. If you think about like most of the innovations and inventions by human is always trying to mimic things that occur naturally in the environment. So if you take, for example, this was really hard to cut through. Sorry guys, my thumb looks a bit annoying, but this was really hard to cut through, and only because of that structure. The banana stems have that corrugation, that inner layer that looks like corrugation. It's odd and his wonders, man. So good. Over there just working on the fire, we'll quickly do this. Probably throw in those bananas too, chop it up. I think that's it. Right, banana stems done. We've got some laupele, which is like hibiscus spinach. Then we've got some Taro palangi, which I think yams or something. I've got a stem from one of those because they're actually nice and big. We'll chop them up into here, and then we'll get those bananas there too. Came to fix the fire. Failed. What a fail. Parents always gotta step in, So it's important to teach your kids, the basics of life. In the bare necessities. Don't worry. Alright. Let's go. Over there, just getting started on cleaning the yumu area for tomorrow. But it's already starting to rain a bit, so still haven't gotten to fixing the mkuka. You guys can see there's holes everywhere, which is why we have it in the middle, because that's the only part where it doesn't drip. No drip. But yeah, I got the pig food on the fire now. the hand has stopped bleeding, so that's a good sign. Just worried about infection though. Hopefully we don't get an infection. But you know us Samoans, we don't stop till it's off. I mean, like, you know, we don't stop until the finger comes off. So we gotta keep working, gotta keep going. As long as we can still move, that's it. But yeah, guys. So we've got some bananas there. We'll throw it in soon. Also see some woolies over there. So I'll probably get those for the pigs too. Is you know, the pigs also have, just because they're pigs doesn't mean they're gonna eat food scraps. So I try to make it an effort to make at least their meals, one of their meals, a really good meal during the week. But it's mostly plant-based, with the plants that have high nutrition, like protein and carbs and stuff like that. Had a really awesome idea. I remember back when I was little, there was a family I used to hang out with when I was living in Finalizing at my dad's village, and they would always use like raw papaya, eshimoko, and then fry it with I don't know, like elengi or something, like chicken or something. It was mostly elengi because people were pretty poor back then. But now I'm just thinking, like, I could actually use the eshimoko, so the raw papaya, and we'll chop that. We'll get one of those and chop it inside here, because it'll also be edible for the pigs once it's boiled, because it's still edible as long as you boil it. So we're gonna get that as well. But yeah, also just want to say thank you guys. You know, because the comments, this one of the things I enjoy about YouTube is that when you guys comment, there's a lot of advice given, especially like because most of this stuff is you know, from the comment section of our videos. So I love the community that we've made, and I really appreciate the support, guys. So really grateful for how much you guys comment on the content we make, and you know, your inputs and stuff has really helped me as well. So thanks, guys. I really want to give back by making great content, and also in other ways as well. So I hope you guys enjoy as this channel grows, and what we've got coming up. guys, so pig feed is almost ready. Just remembered that I have to fix my ava plants. One of my cousins who has a who's starting his ava farm actually showed me the proper way to plant it. So I'm just gonna go fix the ones I have around here so that they grow well. Alright guys, so back here at the kitchen, back here in the kitchen, our plants are sorted. We're gonna prepare the omu later on today. Get the food for the omu, things such as the taro, the olives, coconuts, probably breadfruit if there's still any left. But I guess that's it from us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Make sure to check our Sunday cooking episode once it comes out, which will probably be tomorrow, because that'll be actually Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, if you do enjoy it, and we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, and stay safe, guys.